You can see the Mustang is going a pretty dark color, so this is what Chuck wanted on his car, so trying to give him what he wants. We're gonna put our this is British racing green. It's almost black. And here's some parts we're doing. Like some clear on here. Pretty shiny, pretty smooth. Just a little tiny bit of orange peel, but it's underneath. I shot this with the spray it. I didn't want to get my big gun out because I gotta, cost me money every time I change the disposable pot on it. So that looks pretty smooth. Not much, no dirt in it hardly. Got a little piece of dirt in one of these, so I'll have to sand it out and respray it. Pretty good sized piece of dirt. So a lot of this stuff we're gonna do, we're gonna use a probably gonna go ahead when I spray this car, we're gonna do this, they call it now flow coat, but really just sand it down and clear it twice. So that's what we're gonna do to get it a little bit smoother finish, because it's such a dark color, this dark green. If you can even see it, it looks green. It looks black probably in this picture, but it's actually very green. So take a look here. Here's the doors. Door jamb. Here's that bottom part where we did the repairs. Here's this one here where we did the repairs. And these headlight bezels, they turned out pretty good. Pretty smooth. I'm thinking about re-clearing those because there's a little bit of orange peel in them, because it's going to be really hard to buff that. So and it's really hard to shoot the clear without when they're laying down, because what happens is you almost need to like hang it up like right here, because it bounces off the ground, off whatever's underneath it, and it causes a little bit of orange peel. Corners are hard to get no orange peel in. Very, very light orange peel. It's almost nothing. Pretty smooth. These doors look pretty smooth. There's not much going on here. But what's that? That is actually the metal is textured. If you look here, the metal is textured. So anyway, that's our Mustang update, and we'll take a look at another thing real quick here. So here's the jams on the hood jams. Fiberglass, not my favorite thing to paint, but kind of did some weird stuff here with this fiberglass, so it's not going to look the greatest. Anyway, he's got his little skull head here. So I don't know what we'll do with that. Maybe we'll put some eyes on it or something. Paint them all out with a lettering brush. Who knows? I don't know. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next video, and this update for the Mustang and the jams.